everybody, it's been about 10 days of social isolation and we have 21 more to go. So I thought of entertaining myself by making this short video. Hope you guys also enjoy it. In this video, I'm going to show you a hairstyle that you can do at home under 5 minutes using just a comb and one rubber band. Using your comb, make a side parting. From the parting, take a triangular section, isolate it and hold it in your left hand. Divide this triangular section into 3 parts. We are going to start with these 3 sections and then we are going to incorporate the hair over here as we braid. To get a neat braid, you need rhythm. What I do is left under center and right under center. Now, when it's time to add left under center again, take a little bit of hair from underneath the left section, approximately the same amount as the section initially, and then add that under center. When you have to do the right side, do the same thing. Take a little bit of hair from underneath the right section, approximately the same amount, and then add that under the center. And then we repeat. Now that our basic braid is complete, what we want to do is make it look fuller. So what we'll do is, see these individual sections? I'm just going to take the section and slightly pull on it. Make sure that this is not too tight, otherwise you won't be able to pull. Take individual sections and just slightly pinch it and pull it. Pinch and pull. Pinch and pull. Pinch and pull. Work on either side rather than working one whole side and then doing one whole side. Now that the braid is nice and full, we are going to secure it using our only rubber band. However, I don't want the braid to sit around the face like this. We want it to sit away from the face. So one little thing that we can do for that is take a little bit of hair from here, add it to your braid, and then take your rubber band and use it to secure the braid and the section from the back together. Once it's nicely secured, just put this in position. This braid is called a Dutch braid. Hope you guys enjoyed it.